friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. It's sneak peek time. I'm popping in very quickly today to show you the collection that we'll be using in our Wonderful Wednesday tutorials in September, which I can't even believe it's right around the corner, but it is. So, autumn, my favorite season. We're going to be working with Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze, which is one of the most beautiful fall collections I think I've ever seen. They just nailed this one, y'all. From the images to the color palette, everything, the patterns. It is one stunning paper collection. I mean, just look at these images. I love the wellies and the pumpkins, the little foxes. There's all kinds of sweet little woodland critters. These gorgeous pine cones, which have star anise scattered in with them. Here are the 4x6 images. I mean, how cozy is this collection? It's just perfect for fall. And look at this gorgeous tartan plaid. I just love. I can't wait to cut into it. Well, another wonderful collage sheet. And look at this floral on the back side. I don't know which one I like better. I mean, it is just so beautiful with the sunflowers and the pine cones and the chrysanthemums and the roses. Here are our journal cards, which are always a favorite of mine. And on the back of the journal cards, you've got this fantastic little micro dot in these shades of pumpkin. Just beautiful. Oh, there's the other sheet. I knew I had two of those journal card sheets, and there's the other one. Then here's a similar pattern with the ochre background and white pumpkins, which is just so pretty. Look at this page. I mean, you can fussy cut these clusters out. You can take this and you cut this section out. You already have a layered look on your card. I mean, this is an amazing collection. I love all these little tickets and tags. And on the back side, we have another wonderful rust-colored plaid. Of course, some beautiful fall leaves with a nice diagonal stripe. And these little film strip images that can be so cute. Like, imagine doing a mini waterfall with these, and we might. And then a great little dot. This you could just frame and hang on your wall. It is so pretty. I grew up in New England, so these fall images just get me. And look at this plaid, pumpkins, another gorgeous diagonal check. And look at these little tags. They're the cutest little things. I mean, they did a kick-butt job with this collection. And of course, a sticker sheet. I also got the 6x8 because I like to have, well, first of all, like if you're doing a folio or a journal cover, these larger images are great. But I also like to have the extra sheets of the patterned paper, and they're a great size for card making. So that's a lot of this. I use a lot of this in my card making or tag making, but it is beautiful. And then this is kind of new. These are called Simple Vintage Basics, and they're really neat. I got them because, of course, I'm a sucker for gingham, anything with a check pattern. So on the one side, you've got the gingham, and on the other side, you've got a solid. And I just thought these could be really useful for lots of things. Die cutting, doilies, flip pages, all kinds of stuff. So I went ahead and I got these. I hadn't tried them, so I thought I would. And then to go with, I got the ephemera. And these are larger. These are not the bits and pieces. These are ephemera, and you can see they're a nice size. There's like a lot you can do with these. I love the size of these ephemera. And then there are little pieces, tickets and star anise and all of that as well. And then these are sentiment bits, and these are new, or at least they're new to me. And I like these because look, you can just put these on the front of a little card and you're good to go. And then there's these little, tag things, nice words. So I liked these. I went ahead and got these. And a lot of times I don't get the word ones because sometimes I feel like the words are not anything that I would like say, but these were good. So I went ahead and got these. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this collection? Are you excited about working with it? I just think it's one of the prettiest fall collections that came out this year. And then these are the floral bits. And I don't usually get these either, but I really liked the leaves and the star anise. I thought these would make nice layering pieces. And I know a lot of y'all like to see how to layer in these little bits and pieces. So we'll do some cards. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Where I show you how I do that. It doesn't mean it's the way to do it. It's just how I use them. And I thought you might enjoy seeing that. And then last but not least, I've got the bits and pieces. And these are the, you know, normal small ephemera, but look, a cute little chipmunk, little hats, blankies, scarves. It's just precious. So this collection, gorgeous, gorgeous for fall. And I will link in the description box below this video so you know where to go to get this in case you want to play along. And of course, you can always follow along with Wonderful Wednesday and use whatever collection you have in your stash. But I know y'all like to see the new stuff, so that's why I share it here. All right, that's it for me. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you this coming Wednesday with our Windback Wednesday. And I'm not sure. I've got several different collections I'm looking at that I really like. It's always hard to choose. Maybe we'll have to do a choose your own adventure. We'll see. All right, y'all, go get your craft done. Bye.